Hello and welcome to the channel. I am so excited to have you here. In this series, we are going to explore HTML, the fundamental building block of every website you see on the internet. Whether you are just starting your journey into web development or aiming to refine your skills, this playlist is designed to guide you every step of the way. We will begin with the basics, breaking down what HTML is and how it works. From there, we will gradually move into more advanced topic, ensuring you gain the knowledge and confidence to build your own stunning web pages. Throughout this series, we will cover everything step by step using real world example and the essential tools required to make the process smooth and enjoyable. Each video is designed to be beginner friendly while also offering valuable insight for those who want to deepen their understanding of HTML. So, grab a notebook, fire up your code editor, and get ready to learn and practice alongside me. By the end of this series, you will have a strong foundation in HTML and be ready to tackle even more complex web development topics. If you find these videos helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Your support not only helps the channel grow but also ensures I can continue creating content for amazing learners like you. Now, let's dive in and start building the skills that will take your web development journey to the next level.